What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Whiskey's Adventures. How's everybody doing? Doing good here. So it is 4th of July. Got Al Hunter with me. Got Ethan with us. Al Hunter and I come here to Crowder's Mountain every year for the 4th of July and climb up the top of the mountain, watch the fireworks show. So that's what we're here for. I know once you guys see this video, it's going to be like a couple weeks after the 4th of July, but that's what we're doing right now. We just got hiked into family campsite number 6 is where we're staying up on top of Crowder's Mountain, which puts us about 1.5 miles to 2 miles away from Pinnacle's Peak, which is where we climb up to watch the fireworks. I want to go ahead and give Oklahoma Laser Engraving a huge shout out. They're sponsoring this video today. They're a small veteran owned and operated business. They do all the laser engraving as far as personal needs to cups, cowhides, anything you could possibly think of you want to have laser engraved, they could do it. I'll put the link to them down in the description. If you let them know Whiskey's Adventures sent you by, they'll give you a 10% discount on your order. So go check them out. Laser Engraving, Whiskey's Adventures group here. Greatly appreciate you sponsoring this video and making it where this 4th of July trip is possible for us. So we appreciate that. Folks, we're going to sit around here and we're going to cool down because it's 100 degrees outside with a heat index of 107. So it's quite hot. We do have plenty of water to drink, but we're going to sit here and cool down for a little bit before we set up camp. Normally we hike up in the mountain early in the day, but Al Hunter's requested this year because of the heat, we stay here until right before sunset. Then we do our hike up. So we're going to sit here and cool down, and then we'll be back with y'all when we get camp set up. I'll let you boy. And happy 4th of July, everybody. All right, folks, so my dinner tonight is the Mountain House Adventure Meals, spaghetti with meat sauce. I added salt and pepper and 2 packs of Taco Bell mild sauce to it. Sydney and Ethan ate beefaronies. They've already ate. They ate ahead of me because I only brought 1 gas stove. We decided to cook on the gas stove versus the fire because it's just too hot out here to start a fire. We may do a fire tonight after we get done up on the mountain after the fireworks show. We're not sure, but this is my dinner. Sydney and Ethan are up at a water spigot rinsing off their dishes and stuff and then spraying water on themselves to cool down while I eat dinner. I had one of these spaghetti ones left over, so I figured I'd go ahead and bring it out for tonight. Now I showed you guys the instructions. It says wait 5 minutes, open, stir, reseal, and do an additional 4 minutes. It's just like the mac and cheese. I do put my hot water in here, then stir it up, seal it up for 10 minutes, open it up, stir it up again, add my sauces to it, and then close it back up for another 10 minutes. So I do 20 minutes because it is spaghetti noodles, and I don't want no crunchy noodles. So I give it 20 minutes to hydrate. And it's pretty good. Well, folks, I'm going to eat. And then once I get done eating, we're going to start our hike up to get up on top of the mountain. So we'll see you after dinner. What's up, everybody? So we got done eating dinner. We cleaned up camp. Now we're doing the, I think it's like 1.5, 2 mile hike to get from the campsite up to King's Pinnacle, which is where we go every year to watch the fireworks show. So we're doing the hike now, jamming out to some music. Al Hunter and Ethan's up there in front of me. I let them get a little ahead so we don't pick up the music from them. Obvious copyright reasons. We're really hoping we get a better fireworks show this year than we did last year. Every year we've came up here since we moved back down to North Carolina from New York. We've had great fireworks shows, but last year when we came here, it was a letdown. We're hoping it's not the same today, because how hot it is and how far we have to hike in and everything to see this. Either way, we're having a good time enjoying our forest. All right, folks, see you on the trail. Hot hike, Al Hunter. I don't have the mic in, so make sure you speak up.
Yes.
Ethan?
What'd you say?
Hard hike?
Yeah. Oh, I'm sweating.
Here's the sign, folks. We're taking a quick break right here, and then we're gonna climb up and get on our first rock that we always stop at to get a first view, and then we're gonna finish the climb up on top and then get set up for the fireworks show tonight. Holla at your boy. Wore out. Look at that view, folks. I want to get up there real quick where the breeze is. Oh, that breeze feels good. That's fine, man. If it's not comfortable, he's not comfortable right here.
I'm trying to this one.
I can tell you what, that breeze feels good though.
Like a little slide. You can literally sit right here and just slide. Sounds like they're already busting.
Right there's a squirrel. All right, so we're gonna chill right here for a little bit until the sun sets more, and then we're gonna hike a little bit farther to get where we normally chill. But where we normally chill, there's no shade, so we wanna stay right here so we have shade until the sun goes a little bit down farther, and we're gonna hike over there. We'll talk to y'all once we're on the rock over there. I'm tired. What's up, everybody? All right, so we're up at the top here. We're kind of hanging out underneath the trees because of the shade. Normally, let me walk out here on the edge. Normally, we're down there on that ledge that you see right there is normally where we sit and watch so we can see all around the mountain. But we're tucked up in the trees because of the sun. But check out this view. Look at that, folks. Look at that sunset. Look at this view. Absolutely gorgeous. Straight drop off. All right, well, we're going to sit here and relax, drink plenty of water. I'm going to enjoy a step 3 until the sun sets all the way and the fireworks show starts. And then hopefully I'm going to attempt to record in 4K, so hopefully I can pick up the fireworks with the camera I'm using. I don't have my new camera yet, so I'm hoping that I can pick it up with this camera. So I'll tune you guys back in once the sun sets and the fireworks show starts. Holler at your boy. So directly in front of the camera, I don't know if the camera can pick it up. You can see it right at the horizon there. In the center of the screen is the city of Charlotte. It's just hard to see it from here. It's really hard for the camera to pick up though. You can see a couple of lights out there.
Bye.
All those flashing lights you see in the camera, and those are all fireworks, folks. I don't know how well the camera's picking it up, but if it's picking up a bunch of flashes out there, you're seeing fireworks. Oops, that one was kind of close. I think next year when we come up here, we're actually going to bring fireworks with us. We're going to set some off from up here. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Even though it's past the 4th of July when you all see this video, just know I'm sending happy 4th of July out to all of our viewers and fans. Appreciate everybody continually showing support and watching our videos. Coming from you up here at Crowder's Mountain, North Carolina, up here at King's Pinnacle, watching the fireworks show from up top the mountain. Pretty sure this is the 5th year in a row we've done this. Well, folks, we're done with the fireworks show. We're working our way back to camp now. We're off the top of the mountain where the wind breeze was, so it's pretty freaking hot again. We're gonna go back to the campsite, sit back and relax, hit the water on the way and get ourselves all wet. And I will talk to you guys when we get back to the campsite. Holla at your boy. What's up, everybody? All right, so we're back. We've been back at site for about 20 minutes. Ethan and Sydney's already went to bed. I'm getting ready to go to bed for the night. Probably going to end the episode here because we're going to get up really early in the morning tomorrow and hike out of here before the heat gets. So we plan on getting up around 4 o'clock in the morning. So I'm not even going to break the camera out tomorrow. We're just going to break down and get out of here before the heat hits. So I appreciate everybody watching. All of our subscribers and Patreon members, your names will be below in the description. I want to give a huge shout out again to Oklahoma Laser Engraving for sponsoring this video. The link to his website or their website's down below. Don't forget they're a small veteran operated business. So show them some love. If you tell them Whiskey's Adventure sent you by, you're going to get 10% off your first order. So go check them out. They do awesome work. Oklahoma Laser Engraving, greatly appreciate that sponsoring today's video for us so we can get out here and enjoy the fireworks on top of the mountain. So thank you very much. Well, everybody, I don't know what the next plan is, so I guess y'all have to wait and see what the next video is, but appreciate everybody watching. Till next time, holler at your boy. Good night, everybody.